I am good. I am great. Okay, tell me what is the day today? Today is no. What is the day today? Today is Sunday? No. Today is Friday? No. What's come after Wednesday? Today is Thursday. What is the day today, Ayan? Thursday. And how many days in a week? There are 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, look. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Say Bismillah. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim. Bismillah. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim. Bismillah. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim. Bismillah. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim. Ameen. Good job. Up and down, turn around, jumping on the floor, now sit down, yay! Nathan, face the sun over here, paste here, very good. Mirar, hold this, let's make the sun hat. Paste over here, Mirar. Mirar, paste. Good job. Very well done.
Wow.
Hafsa, paste. Paste the sun. Paste over here. Ismail. Paste the sun over here. Hurry up. The sun hat. Paste over here, Isha. Paste the sun over here. Press with the finger. Anaya, let's make the sun hat. Paste over here. Good job, Anaya. Now it's Habiba's turn. Habiba, paste over here. Good job. Very well done. Anabia, paste the sun over here. Misam, paste the sun over here. Paste over here. Very good.